Hello friends, in this video we are going to practice the slicing concept in Python. It is a very simple example and you can elaborate on this example by increasing the level of slicing. In this particular program we are going to swap the first element of a list with the last element of the list. For example, if you have the input 1, 2, 3, 4, the output will be 4, 2, 3, 1. That means 4 will come in the first place and 1 will go in the last place. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 has changed into 4, 2, 3, 1. Now how to attain this using the slicing feature? So first we make a variable list1 and store the list into it. Then we print the list so that we know what has been stored. Then we take a temporary variable and store the 0th element, that is 1, into it using list1 at 0 subscript. Then at list1 0 subscript we copy list1's last element. Generally the index of the last element we can use -1 to refer to that particular element. Second last can be referred using -2, third last using -3, and so on. And then in the list -1 we store the temp, that is 1, and then we print the list and the output is 4, 2, 3, 1. I hope this video is useful to you in understanding slicing, and if it is useful, please share with your friends and recommend the channel to others. Thank you.